I started organizing when I got into college. At UNC, we have an annual hackathon called HackNC, which is one of the largest hackathons in the state of North Carolina. And then there were hackathons that were rooted towards more underrepresented communities where I mentored, for example, one of the biggest ones being PearlHacks, which is also held at UNC as well. Hi, I'm Nikhil Vytla. Right now, I'm an ML infrastructure engineer at a startup in the Bay Area. I was an MLH Fellow for a 3-time MLH Fellow. So the first of the 3 times, I worked alongside the DoD, Department of Defense. We were working specifically on a Ranger rehabilitation program. So basically, some sort of application that would help veterans kind of reintegrate back into society. And from there on, I started learning more and more about accessibility. And I dove into how digital accessibility impacts people with disabilities all across the world, and how oftentimes it's considered as an afterthought where it really shouldn't be. It should be something that's integrated from the very beginning. The second time, I was a production engineering fellow with Facebook Meta in the summer of 2021. And over there, learned a ton of DevOps skills. And then my final fellowship was as a GitHub extern. And so over there, I worked on the enterprise side. This was more of a kind of a standalone software engineering project, kind of similar to an internship. And since then, I have been involved with accessibility efforts as much as I can across each of the organizations I have been with, whether those are organizations specifically working in social good or organizations that you may not necessarily think have a large impact on people with disabilities, but when you really dive deep into who the users are and who the developers are behind those platforms, accessibility work is really, really important to ensuring equity in that space.